Welcome to the DV Systems channel, your trusted source for expert insights on network cabling, fiber optics, and structured communication solutions. Today, we're discussing a critical technical topic that directly affects network performance: how certified cabling prevents signal loss and attenuation, ensuring clear and reliable communication. Whether you're running data, voice, video, or security systems, your network is only as strong as the cabling behind it. Signal loss, also known as attenuation, occurs when a signal weakens as it travels through a cable. This can be caused by long cable distances, poor quality materials, improper installation, electromagnetic interference in copper cables. When signal loss occurs, you may experience slow network speeds, dropped connections, poor video quality, unreliable communication systems. Cabling certification ensures that your network is installed and tested to meet strict industry standards such as TIA, EIA, and ANSI. During certification, technicians test for signal strength and consistency, crosstalk and interference, overall cable performance. This process verifies that every cable can transmit data efficiently without excessive loss. Certified cabling reduces signal loss in several important ways. Proper installation techniques, correct cable routing, bending radius, and termination prevent signal degradation. High-quality materials. Certified systems use cables and components designed to maintain signal integrity. Accurate testing and validation. Any cable that does not meet performance standards is identified and corrected before the system goes live. Compliance with distance limits certification ensures cables are installed within maximum allowable lengths to avoid excessive attenuation. Fiber optic cabling offers significant advantages when it comes to signal loss: minimal attenuation over long distances, immunity to electromagnetic interference, higher bandwidth capabilities. Copper cabling, such as Cat6 or Cat6A, can also perform reliably, but only when properly installed and certified. Both systems depend on certification to ensure optimal performance and minimal signal degradation. Signal loss doesn't just affect performance, it impacts your entire business. Poor signal quality can lead to dropped VoIP calls, blurry or lagging security camera footage, slow data transfers and system delays, frustrated employees and customers. A certified cabling system ensures stable and reliable communication, consistent network performance, reduced downtime and troubleshooting. By preventing signal loss, certified cabling extends the lifespan of your network, reduces maintenance and repair costs, supports future upgrades and higher speeds, maintains consistent performance over time. This makes certification a critical investment for long-term reliability. At DV Systems, we ensure every cabling installation is fully tested and certified for peak performance. Our process includes professional installation following industry standards, advanced testing to measure signal strength and attenuation, clean, organized cable management, detailed certification reports, scalable designs for future growth. We make sure your network delivers clear, reliable communication from day one. Signal loss can quietly degrade your network, but with proper certification, it can be completely prevented. Investing in certified cabling ensures that your systems operate at full capacity, delivering the performance your business depends on. If you're ready to improve your network's reliability and eliminate signal loss, DV Systems is here to help. Contact us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for professional network cabling and certification services.